They always told us oatmeal was the best way to start the day. Warm, cozy, easy on the stomach. But here's something most people never hear out loud: after 60, that same bowl may be quietly stealing your strength. It fills you up, but it doesn't feed your muscles. And for seniors, every breakfast choice matters. Some foods rebuild, others slowly break you down. Let me share 3 simple foods that not only taste amazing, but can rewind the clock on your muscles. And lean in here, because the last one? Almost no one talks about it. Number 1, eggs. Imagine cracking 2 eggs into a warm pan. That soft hiss, the whites turning silky, the golden yolks gleaming like sunshine. The smell alone takes you back to childhood mornings. But here's the secret most folks don't realize: eggs are packed with leucine. That's the amino acid whispering to your muscles, wake up, rebuild, grow strong again. Every bite, soft, rich, maybe scrambled with just a pinch of pepper, feeds your body exactly what it's been missing. And whisper this to yourself: 2 eggs can do more for your muscles than a whole bowl of oatmeal ever will. And trust me, as powerful as eggs are, they're only the beginning. Number 2, cottage cheese. Now, I know what you're thinking. Cottage cheese? Really? But take a slow spoonful. Cool, creamy, mild, it almost melts across your tongue. Here's the part most people never hear: cottage cheese is full of casein, a protein that digests like a gentle drip. Hour after hour, it keeps repairing your muscles. Steady, calm, strong. And the taste? You can dress it sweet, with a few blueberries, maybe a sprinkle of cinnamon. Or savory, with juicy tomato slices and a twist of black pepper. The real secret? Just half a cup can change how your morning feels. No shaky hands, no sudden hunger. Just steady energy, like your body finally has what it's been craving. But hold on, because the next one ties the whole breakfast together in a way almost nobody expects. Number 3, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, even that peppery bite of arugula. Picture tossing them in a pan with a drizzle of olive oil. They soften, release a rich, earthy aroma. A touch of garlic, a squeeze of lemon, suddenly the kitchen feels alive. And here's the whisper most folks miss: these greens aren't just healthy. They're loaded with magnesium that relaxes stiff muscles, potassium to steady your heartbeat, antioxidants that quietly calm inflammation. Each bite, slightly tangy, slightly earthy, feels like medicine disguised as food. And when you place those greens right next to eggs and cottage cheese, you're not just eating. You're building strength, one delicious bite at a time. Now pause a moment and imagine this plate in front of you. Warm, rich eggs. Cool, creamy cottage cheese. Fresh greens, still steaming from the pan. Simple. Affordable. But powerful enough to keep you walking steady, standing tall, living free. And here's the soft whisper most seniors never get to hear. The change isn't just physical. It's emotional. You start the day knowing you're fueling life, not just filling space. And remember how I promised you a final secret? If you truly love oatmeal, you don't need to give it up. Lean in here. Just upgrade it. Stir in a scoop of protein powder, or pair it with eggs or cottage cheese. That way, you keep the comfort, but your muscles still get their breakfast. So tomorrow morning, instead of just oats, picture this: 2 warm eggs, soft and rich. Half a cup of creamy cottage cheese. A handful of vibrant greens, kissed with olive oil and lemon. Not fancy. Not expensive. But it might be the difference between slowing down and feeling steady and strong again. Because breakfast isn't just food, it's freedom. Freedom to walk without fear, to climb without pain, to live the way you choose. And if this spoke to you, subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next, because in my next message, I'll share the one surprising evening drink that seniors everywhere are using to rebuild muscle while they sleep.